Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6, and in this video I'm going to show you 20 tricks on this device. Okay, let's begin with the automatic brightness that we can adjust. So to do it, we need to open up our settings, click on your crown, then find the settings, then go to the downside until you find display and brightness, and in here down below we have the automatic brightness. I highly recommend turning it off. Thanks to that, when we once select our brightness that we want in the brightness right in here, our brightness will be saved and it will be automatically made. For me, automatic brightness is really annoying feature, so I always turn that off. Okay, once we are here, we also have cool things such as tap to wake and raise to wake. I highly recommend turning those features on, but because simply when our screen is off, all we need to do is to simply tap on it once to wake it up, and the raise to wake works really similar. We just need to simply raise our hand to launch our screen. Really cool thing. We also have the quick replies on our device. To use this feature, we need to go into our HUAWEI Health app on our phone. In here we need to go into devices, then go into your watch, scroll down, first go into the notifications, make sure that they are enabled, and in here if you have apps such as WhatsApp, Messages or Messenger, you'll be able to use the quick replies on your watch if you will receive a notification, of course. Scroll down, and in here we have the quick replies. In here we have a whole list of sentences that we can use in the quick reply mode, and of course also if you want you can click on add reply and add your own reply, then click on OK, and now it has been successfully saved. Now simply when we receive a notification on our watch, we can simply click on that, then click on quick reply and use one of those sentences. Of course they will appear on our watch. Okay, now let me simply place the phone next to me, and now I will again scroll a little so you'll be able to see other things. Alright, and now the next thing that I want to show you is do not disturb mode. Let's open it up, the settings first, then scroll down and click on the focus. And in here we have the do not disturb mode. If you simply turn it on, the watch won't vibrate or ring for notifications or incoming calls except alarms. In here also, of course, we can add the schedule. We have the everyday, that's the one that is currently set, or of course we can click on add time and do this manually and add a new schedule. We also have the sleep mode for do not disturb. If you turn it on, simply that's the do not disturb mode for the sleep for late hours simply. In here you can of course select the hours. In this case, when I'll turn it on, it will D&D will start at 11 PM and end at 7 AM next day. That's how this mode works. Pretty cool thing. Alright, next thing is the water draining feature. Let's say that our watch get really wet, and we can use the water drain function to simply get rid of the water. To do it, we need to, when we are on the home screen, we need to slide to the upside, just like that, and now use the drain function. Okay, now we just need to simply shake and tilt the watch to help the water get out. Really useful feature. Okay, also when we launch the flashlight, right in here, we can also adjust it. We can adjust the brightness as we move up or down using our crown, but that's not the only thing. We can even slide to the upside, change the color of our flashlight. Currently it's orange, as you can see, and we can also even set the flash mode, just like that. Pretty cool thing. Alright, in my case I want it steady and white, so I'll keep it in that setting. Okay, Also in here we have our down button, and we can add a shortcut for it. To do it, open up the settings, scroll down, find the down button, click on press it once, and now select the app that you want to use under the down button. So let's say I'll stick to the flashlight that was right in there. So now when I want to quickly open up the flashlight, all I need to do is to tap on this button, and as you can see, the flashlight has been successfully launched. So all you need to do is to simply select the shortcut that you want to use. Alright, now we also have the offline maps, which is really cool feature. It works in that way that we don't need to be connected to the internet all the time. And for example, when we start a workout, it's still going to show us the route that we have made. But again, to do it, we need to go into our app, click on the devices, again select your watch, scroll down and go into offline maps, and in here you need to download the region. In my case, I have downloaded the Lesser Poland. You can go into the regions, and in here download all that you want, each region. And once you have downloaded it, this feature will start working. Pretty cool thing. Okay. Once we are here, also we have cool thing under the HUAWEI Health. We can go into Me, go to the profile and click on emergency information. And we can go into emergency contacts, and in here we can add a new contact, and after we will launch the SOS communicate on our watch. I'll show you how to do it in a second. Also this person will be it will get a notification that something happens to us, so that's, you know, our possibility to give a sign to this person that something happened to us. Again, let me scroll in and let's go into the settings. The settings right in here. Now go into emergency SOS. In here we have a tutorial how you can launch it. Press the power button 5 times in a rapid succession for an emergency call. We also have the fall detection, which I highly recommend turning on. Caller for emergency help when a fall is detected. And in here we also have that emergency contacts. In here we have a tutorial how it works, and I have just shown you on the phone how you can set it. Pretty cool thing. Alright, we can also manage the cards on our watch. Cards are in this place that when we are on our watch face and when we scroll to the right side, in here we have all of our cards. We can adjust them. For example, we can get rid of cards that we don't want to use. To do it, open up the settings, go into watch face and home, go into cards, and in here you can even completely turn them off if you want. But you can also click on manage, and in here simply you can turn them off or add a new one. To for example, to delete, simply hold to the upside, then release and click on remove. If you want to add a new one, you can click on plus. You can also even edit the already added cards. Okay, same thing with our watch face. Let's say that we don't like this watch face, and we can change it, of course. Simply hold on it, and now in here we have a whole list of watch faces that we can set, and we can even custom each one. So let's say we like this one, we can even click on custom, and now using the wheel we can change its style. As we go to the right side, we can select the time, I mean the clock style. We can change the color as you take a look, and now to save, simply click on that, and now it has been successfully set. Okay, when it comes to the app list, we can even change the app's position. Let's say that we are using the flashlight app really often, but we don't like that it's all the way down. So all we need to do to get quicker access to it is to simply hold on the icon, then scroll to the upside and place it anywhere that you want. Now it's on the top and we have quick access to it. Okay. Next thing is adjusting the display mode of this app list. Currently we are in grid mode, but we can also select the list mode. You just need to pick which mode you like more. Okay, now let's go into the settings. In my case I will go back into the grid because for me it's more comfortable. Now I'll go into the settings. We can go also into the notifications and we can enable the wake screen feature. Simply the screen will be turned on when the notification will be received on our watch. We also have only show notifications when worn. It's up to you. You can keep this mode enabled or disabled. Okay. Another cool thing is possibility to find your phone, for example, when you will lose it, for example, in your house. You don't know where it is, but you have it's paired with your watch. You can use the Find Phone feature. To do it, simply slide just like that, and now click on this icon. Now the phone will ring, and now you can hear that. If you want to stop ringing, simply click on the icon on your watch, and now we have just found our phone. Pretty cool and useful feature. Alright, if you want, also in the settings, you can enable the always on display mode. To do it, go into display brightness, and in here we have AOD. If you turn it on, your battery life will be reduced, but thanks to that our watch face will be all the time enabled. You just need to select do you want to use it or not. Below we also have the gestures, raise to AOD or raise to watch face. You can select one of those modes, but they work only when the watch face feature is enabled. You can see that when I will turn it off, both of those features disappear. Alright. Also this watch has a workout mode right in here, and if you are a kind of person who likes to simply work out, in here we have a list of workouts, but if you want to add a new one, you can always scroll down and click on add and add a new workout from this list. As you take a look, it's really long list. We have swinging, fishing, basketball, table tennis, pool, bowling, volleyball, handball, baseball, and many more. So if you are a sportsman, you can use this watch and adjust your workout for yourself. Okay, and the last thing is the possibility to pay with this watch, but to do it we need to launch the NFC mode. To do it, open up the settings and now go into more connections, and in here you can enable the NFC right in here. And first you also need to select the default payment app. In my case I only have the Quick wallet, so you need to select it, and remember that you need to also have your payment card connected to that wallet. And now since you have selected the default payment app, you are able to pay using your watch. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.